DJI's long-rumored Osmo Pocket 4 and Osmo Pocket 4 Pro have reappeared in new leaks, while the latter has been pictured once again and the former spotted on Amazon in Germany, giving us our first official glimpse into what could be the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Likely just a placeholder that was quickly removed, it seems that at least one company had received word that the Osmo Pocket 4 series would be launching soon. We are expecting its arrival sometime between March 2026 to the latest leak date. The Osmo Pocket 4 series is positioned primarily for vlogging, with two variants expected, a standard edition and a pro edition. The standard model is said to feature a 1-inch equivalent, 2.5 cm CMOS sensor, support 4K video recording at up to 120 frames per second, and include a 3-axis stabilized gimbal, high-speed autofocus, and YouTube compatibility. The Pro version is expected to adopt a dual-camera setup combining wide-angle and telephoto lenses. So the most highly probable month for the Pocket 4 announcement is again March 2026. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.